Air raises a variety of caution flags for your safety, including when you're on the road. But there are actions you can take to protect yourself and stay out of an uncertain situation. 13 News reporter J.D. Wallace is live on the I-10 frontage road in Marana with some things to remember behind the wheel. J.D.
Val, the top advice for driving in a dust storm is don't do it. Avoid that area. Try not to be driving when you know there's going to be a dust storm. However, they can roll up on you quickly, and if that happens, you want to pull as far off the road as possible. Don't be inside an emergency lane or anything like that. Literally get off the road, turn your lights off, take your foot off the brake so no one sees you, and keep your seatbelt fastened. Now, even with these dusty conditions expected, there were people working outside today because they still had to get to work.
A damaged roof needs repair.
Right now we're out here measuring the awnings.
And J.J. Carroll, sales manager for Arizona Pristine Roofing, helps remove the old metal, but he has to pause now and then to take a puff from his inhaler. He says he has asthma, and days like this can add a challenge.
Yeah, I do feel it a little bit more.
Pima County Department of Environmental Quality issued a Dust Action Day recommending children, seniors, and those with heart and lung conditions or other sensitivities to reduce exertion during outdoor activity. It also recommends avoiding using gas-powered lawn equipment and leaf blowers.
That dust yesterday that came through here and changed the entire atmosphere, I don't think my leaf blower is going to make much of a difference.
Wade Lankford with La Sierra Tree and Palm Service in Green Valley says he's been in landscaping 20 years and, like J.J. Carroll, says he has to keep working even on days like this.
No, bills don't get paid if you stop working. You don't make money.
I would have stayed at the house, but just trying to assist the community here. We've been out here all week, and now with these new storms coming in, we want to make sure that they're taken care of and storm ready.
And another concern about the dusty conditions is that if you have a lung or a heart condition, breathing those particles in can actually irritate your lungs and aggravate those chronic diseases. As far as, once again, being out here on the road, when you pull over, do not put your hazards on. You don't want other vehicles seeing you and thinking you're on the road and driving towards you. Reporting live in Marana, J.D. Wallace, 13 News.
All right, good advice. Thank you, J.D. Staying indoors is the best way to avoid health problems from the bad air. But if you have to be outside, doctors say you should watch out for the symptoms of what could be a serious medical emergency. Now, those include difficulty breathing, chest pain or tightness, wheezing, long coughing spells, and dizziness, confusion or fainting. Those are signs you need to call 911.